There's so much you can do with this baby. I'm going to show you a few of the things I use it around the shop for, and then a few things in everyday life. The morning routine. If you know me well enough, that starts with the McDonald's cup. There's something special about cracking open the top of a fresh straw. Satisfying. You probably noticed they've been cheating me about an inch every time. Shrinkflation, yo. One of my favorite uses for the McDonald's cup is a brush holder. I'm gonna show you how it works, but there's multiple ways to do it. So the lid works great, check it out. I just slide the handle in like that, put it back on, and I can suspend it, or I can hang it in water, and then that way your bristles aren't getting all smashed while you're waiting to clean it. Just hang it like that in the water, and then when you're ready, just pop it off the lid and finish cleaning it. Or keep a little bit of paint on there and you got a wet brush and you got to go take off for 10 minutes, just leave it like this. You don't have to wash out your brush, and then you just come back and bada boom, bada bing. So I was out working the fence line, pulling a bunch of rusty nails. And instead of these falling all over the pasture or ending up in my tire someday, close it up. It's not going to fall in the yard or anywhere. And then when I get back, I just dump it in the recycling bin. Here's where I keep all the aluminum tabs off my pop cans that my girl's collecting for 4-H. Just screwed it to the wall. Check that out. You could do that for different size nails, bolts, whatever. When I mix an ebonizing solution, which is just simply a mixture of vinegar, steel wool, and water, and what it does is it starts the weathering process in the wood, and then it stops. This is what I use to stir it, and it's dry. You'll see how gray it'll get. How cool is that? Anyway, McDonald's cup is clutch. So I always do half solution, half water. This line it's perfect. So all I do is dunk this in. I know that's how much ebonizing solution I need. There's my water. Mixed. All I do is cut that first line, just watch your fingers. I'm just making a scoop right now for the stain. Keep your fingers out of the way, the knife can slip pretty easily. All right, so I got my little cup. Just gonna make a line on it as my measurer. That is my 1 part. I wanna do 1 part provincial. Just wipe it out, doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna do 1 part weathered gray. Mix that baby up. We got our custom stain. It's a little bit lighter provincial. So everybody has had this happen where the inside of your cup holder gets super gross. So all I did was cut the bottom of a McDonald's cup off right at the line and made a little cup holder liner. Look at that. Fits perfect. This is the top of the bottom one I cut off. So quick little shop hack. If you're busy and your table's full and you don't want a water ring from your cup, all I do, put a screw through the side. Check this out, guys. Just screw that in there. Oh look, it's made a cup holder. How cool is that? And that's, you know what's great? All the condensation just drips right off into the sawdust. Another shop hack for the McDonald's cup is if you need a quick circle template. This is 4 1/8. This is 2 1/2. 4 1/8. Oh, look at this. Perfect circle. Or 2 1/2. What? Great for Christmas season. You make a snowman or some ornaments for the tree coaster, but I'm always cutting circles, so it's handy to know I got a 4 1/8 and a 2 1/2. What's funny is I was cleaning out the kayaks before this video, and my wife, on an early morning kayak trip, was sweet enough to get me a Diet Coke from McDonald's, and check it out. At the end of the trip, I got all the river rocks I could want. Well, that's not true. One of the most important uses of this McDonald's cup is I don't have a bathroom in the studio. Pardon me. Easy peasy. Such a great use of the lovable McDonald's cup. Thank you, McDonald's. Hope this doesn't hurt like Burger King's feelings. Wendy's. They just don't have cups that work like this. Chick-fil-A, I love you, but it's styrofoam. That wouldn't happen right there. You want to see more fun videos like this? Like and subscribe. Another great video in the books. Nailed it. That's a good one. Oh, actually nailed it to the table. That was a good one. Another great video in the books. Nailed it. I totally missed. All right, here we go. Another great video in the books. Nailed it. It'd be cool if it went all the way down.
I know, it would be.
Probably.